That was Merry Christmas, Wonder. What is that? I think you like those, huh? Okay, we'll open the box. Open your Christmas present from Dolce. You like these? He likes these cookies. What do you think, Buzz? Can you say thank you? Not with my mouth full. We wanted to give you a little taste, get it, of Wonder's Christmas morning. All of his pretty presents. Somebody's getting spoiled today. Okay. Yummies? Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? He says, give me more. Wonder, say thank you. Yeah, okay, and Merry Christmas to you too. I think he wants some more. Okay, thank you, Dolce. Wonder loves his cookies. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas with your mom. Okay. Okay. That's my boy.